Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create this beautiful effect in Photoshop, and I hope you see how it is called double expression. So, without any further, let's begin. So, the first thing you have to do is having your subject, modeler, and subject you will use. Uh, then, if you use like another image, person, any person, and I will use this woman and with this mountain. Okay, so let's begin. Before anything, you have to remove the background, and I have. A tutorial down and you can check it how to select. We're gonna use this one and select your subject like this, all the way like this. Then you move the background, you feather 5 or 0.2, anything that you want, and after that you will come to image and adjust and do the saturation and we'll let me put some image and then you see what I'm saying. That would be nice, right? See downloads. All right, the image I want to use. What is it? What is the picture I want to use? Okay, just name. And by the way, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And and I will see. Let me use this one, my girlfriend image. Like, yeah. Wait, it's loading, and this one. Okay. The thing I'm telling you is, you come here and select your image. Like, let me do this and this. Like, if you have a new version Photoshop, you can just click select subject, then the Photoshop will do the thing and will select the subject for you. And you have just to wait until it's done. And like this, it's not perfect, but this is an example. So then you do this and come to image. Let me click and convert into smart object, and you come here to image and you adjustment and wait. I have to release this one. Come back to image and the situation. You see, this is what I mean. So we do the same. Then after you position your subject, you have to put this one and you reduce the opacity just to see the murderer and when you okay, let's see. It depends on what you want. If you want to put the mountain right here, just do the thing. Just do it. But for me, I'm gonna put it right here like this and press A, then take back the opacity, and after that we have to click control, place control and click on the modular, make a selection, then you make add a layer mask to the mountain. You see, okay. Then when you're done, we have to duplicate this one, Control J, and put it on the top, and duplicate this one and put it on the top. So we have to delete this layer mask, and then let's hide it for the moment, and we do this like this. Okay, we use the opacity. All we want to this image, new image. You see let me show you. You see this cloud. That's what we want. That's what we want on the cloud. So let's keep going, and this one we're gonna select to. So lights. Let's try. You have to try all the things. Linear color. No. You just have to play with all the thing. Then until you get to what you want. Like thing, the image or the stuff you need. Like this multiple looks good. Yeah. This one looks good, but let's use linear color. Looks better. Then you turn this on, and we reduce the opacity. Set this to linear color. Let's say multiple. Yes, sir. Then we add the layer mask. And it's like wait, just a little. Take this one and put it right here. Then after doing that, take this and take the brush tool and raise the size and change the color to black. And here we need the flow. We need 40 volt, and then we start the paint the way we want it. Okay, okay. So here it is, and this one. Let's see. Okay. You change it. Okay, this one we delete stuff like this. What I mean? Okay, that's the face. You know what I mean? And we add the deleting the thing, and all we have to do is duplicate our thing, and then we move this one, and we increase the opacity. Then we add this one. We add to normal. Then we do add layer mask. Then reduce the opacity just to see. We want the clouds. We want the clouds like okay. But first we have to make a selection just to over the so we control I no wait control shift I. So we want to delete outside stuff like this. Okay, this looks good. I hope you're enjoying it. So okay, black opacity, then do this and wait, back, it's okay. We do X, okay, yes sir. Then we do this, like this, okay, like this, like this. And we delete this stuff. There is a lot of stuff. Okay, alright, like if you do too much stuff, you're gonna lose your image. Like this, okay. Sorry. Okay, then see, see what I mean? But sometimes if you have the brush tool, like crowd brush tool, that will be easy for you and easy to make this kind of effect. So I hope this tutorial helps you. So subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.